all night. Say it, I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the
What's up, Dash Squad? So your girl is back with another video. We're gonna do this intro real fast because we're gonna jump right into this video. But if you are new to my channel, I'm Armoni. My channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, and lifestyle. And we have another hair review for you guys by Unice here. So I'll put in the clip of the unit. They sent us over some goodies, headband, our wig cap, some lashes, and I believe this is a makeup brush. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. If you are coming back, thank you for joining. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So I don't bleach my wigs. I want to make that disclaimer. I put my wigs on just as they come. I may put makeup on the inside depending on how well the unit blends. But this wig blends perfect. I'll show you guys. Let's go.
All night. Say it, I want all night.
hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been
All night. Say it, I wanna all night.
hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to pretend. pieces. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna.
Okay, so I be wanting my hair to be simple, y'all. I don't like all those baby hairs no more. I'm contemplating if I want to put a baby hair right here or not. But as y'all can see, this laces everything. It's natural. It looks good. This could be I'm going to work, I'm going to the bar after work kind of look. This hair, the length and the quality, the density of this hair is amazing. I'm gonna stand up so I can show y'all. But check this hair out. It's definitely giving everything it needs to give. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. It is a simple side part, not too much going on. Perfect, simple, easy style, easy to do style. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the description box down below for any coupon codes and any specials with this company, with Unice. Y'all, I love Unice. But until next time, Dash Squad, thank you guys so much for watching.
All night, say it. I want all night.
Hello.